Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this article or this post by Sawyer, and basically it says that here Tesla is now manufacturing variants of Model Y and Model 3 in the US that do and don't qualify for the 7500 federal EV credit. Customers who claim eligibility for the credit will be matched to a VIN of a car that qualifies for the EV credit. Those who are not eligible or don't opt for the credit will get a non-qualifying VIN. Qualifying Model Y long range and Model 3 long range uses Panasonic batteries, while non-qualifying uses LG batteries. So it seems like Tesla is using less expensive battery in cars for the customers who don't use the EV credit, allowing the company to save money. Smart. So let's go to inventory and see what vehicles do qualify and which ones don't qualify. Alright, so here is the Model Y right here. This is in the inventory. As you can see, this is the long range rear wheel drive. No, this is just a standard here. So this is the Model Y long range all wheel drive 4.8 right here. So the one that uses Panasonic's well qualified. Okay, so again, so this is good news for us, because we want to make sure that if we're going to buy a vehicle, make sure that it does qualify. Not just because we pick any vehicle in the inventory and then it turns out that that one uses a different type of batteries and it doesn't qualify. So it is kind of confusing, but I think Tesla are trying to update and make sure that everyone's gets the tax credit. But some of the batteries are manufactured elsewhere, not in North America, therefore it will not qualify. So make sure we get the one that does. So let's scroll down, see how many. Alright, so starting off with this one right here. This is a Model Y rear wheel drive long range. Okay, so at the price $46,990, and it does shows here. So if I were you, when I'm buying a vehicle, I'd probably just take a picture of it, go into here and make sure that it does. Alright, so this one right here, long range, right? Even the price more expensive and it doesn't qualify. This one is cheaper and it still qualifies. But this one is a rear wheel drive. So look at the range, 320, and this one 287. So let's see if we got the regular long range. Here you go, this one right here, regular price. But this one is a demo vehicle, so 47,820, and after tax 40,000. But you can see right here, the range 308, and you get 0 to 60 4.8 seconds. All of these right here qualifies right here, guy, with the black color as well too. Really nice and neat. Alright, even with the red, ultra red color right here. Looks like you do get a little bit of a discount. Not a lot, like what, $700 if you're buying the demo vehicle with not much of mileage on it. Like this one has what, like 1,400. This one has 270. So this one like only $100 off. So not much of a savings here, I would say. So yeah, some vehicle. Let's go into one, and this one is long range rear wheel drive, and it does qualify as well too. So let's click on here and just take a look at the details and see if we can spot anything different right here. So I would take a picture of this one too, just a snip of it. And then this is a demo vehicle, it has 1,300 miles on it, ultra red, like 20-inch rims, wheels, full self driving for 30 days. Okay. So now that shows that standard now, every 30 days included. Condition. The fact that this is a demo vehicle, so they have to state the conditions here. So if you get a new one, you wouldn't get this. So this is more like for a used one too, or a demo. So this one right here, it shows that you can pick it up at in the Irvine's area right here, locations. All right, but it does show you here. So let's go pick for. Let's see if they have a brand new one. Oh, demo, 5 miles. Wow, even demo vehicles only 5 miles. Because I think I got mine 5 or 7 miles, and it's brand new. So I don't know. So let's click on this one right here. Alright, let's see. This one is the demo. And it says include 1,500 price adjustment, excludes tax and fees. So it actually gives you a little bit of savings right there. $1,500. Only what? 5 miles on the odometer? What kind of demo is this? What, they just put on the lot just for show? Again, this one, June 28th, 50,000 miles, battery, June 2032, 120,000 miles. Oh, look at this one right here. It states right here, previously repaired, so that's why they give you a $1,500 adjustment. So click on here. Say this vehicle was previously damaged, give you the VIN number, everything disclosed right here. This vehicle was damaged. Oh, it was a hailstorm and has had repair completed value at $2,500. Therefore, oh, okay, good to know, right? Good to know. Now we know why there's like a $1,500 price adjustment right there. Okay, and this one, if you like, it will be in the Burbank area, and then you pick it up pretty soon. Now we know the why the price difference, $1,500. Okay, so let's see. Go to one. Well, all of them are demo. There's no new ones. All right, so we don't see. Okay, that's within the California. I want to see all demos. Okay, so it seems like Tesla was not able to sell the Model Ys or something because they have a lot of vehicles. When I bought my vehicle, it was like really like boom. Any vehicles that go into inventory get snagged right away. And it took me like, I was waiting for the red color for a while. You know, you gotta buy, it's like hotcakes. Now, it's all a lot. All right, so let's go to the Model 3 inventory, see what happened. All right, so this one here, the rear wheel drive, this is brand new, 36,000. This one, 37,000 rear wheel drive. Don't know why this one is more expensive. This one, when this one is the demo, and this is a new one. It's hard to say. But let's go check for the one that qualifies for the tax credit. Usually the long range and the performance. This is all standard. We got a few new models here. $38,300 savings. And still, we don't see any tax yet. Old model, the refresh models here. 39,000. This is all demos vehicle. These are new ones. New one is cheaper than the demo one. That's kind of weird. Everything is the same. Well, looks like they don't have a long range on the inventory. Old model. Where is it? These are old style. New styles right here. 5.8 seconds. These are all the old ones. This is all the rear wheel drive. Here you go. This is the long range, but this is the old style. Yeah, this is the old style. This is the one that I have. Why would you want to buy the old style, right? Now they have the new ones. But even this one right here, it doesn't even state that it's qualified for the 7,500 tax credit. Let's see if we go into one and see if it says it. So this one here, it states that it does includes a $2,850 of price adjustment. So we can go down and see what's it's for. And it says it's eligible for the EV lease incentive and business tax credits only for any individual like us buying it will not qualify. This is only for lease and for business only. So let's see what costs for the for price adjustment. It doesn't give us. Yeah, this one available immediately. You pick it up in Irvine. Well, maybe it's just because old style, old model. That's why I give you the price adjustment of $2,850. Well, at least something. But if it's me, I would rather buy the new model. You know what I mean? Why buy old style when you can get the new ones, which much better? People saying I drove it and I really like it. It's really, even for the rear wheel drive, it was pretty quick. The handling was great. So my opinion is not worth the $2,800 saving just to get the old style. So right here, these are all rear wheel drive. So let's say if you go to the new ones, let's go to the website and order a long range now, and let's see if it tells you. So you want to do the long range, right? And just go everything standard. So it does, the long range will show you that it qualifies right here, right? And let's see what's the time frame. Well, pretty much June, so you can buy it. Probably take about a week, a couple days, who knows. So let's go with the rear wheel drive. Most likely not. It doesn't give you the 7500, and we already knows the performance will have that 7500. There you go. So yeah, so right now in the inventory, I guess all the ones that qualifies, people already picked them, so we don't have any more. So if you're looking, if you're looking to buy a vehicle now, is make sure you check for that it is qualified, okay? And then like I said, take a couple photos for your safety, because you never know, and make sure the VIN matches. Otherwise, you might not get qualified for the 7500, and maybe that's something very important to you. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But then take care, be safe, till next time.